Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will be talking about the best 3D printers under $900. This optimistic 3D printer will help you create anything from tiny trinkets to large-scale projects. This 3D printer is for users with a wide range of needs, from novice designers to professional enthusiasts. We all know that the quality of 3D printers can make all the difference in the result, so today we'll review some of the best 3D printers under $900. To help you out, we've put together a list of the best 3D printers under $900. Each 3D printer is an excellent choice for anyone looking to get into 3D printing. The output of these 3D printers is impressive, and they make quick work of any projects you might have. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is Creality Large 3D Printer. The Creality 3D printer is an optimistic and enthusiastic choice for anyone seeking the best 3D printer under $900. Prepare to unleash your imagination and dive headfirst into the exhilarating world of 3D printing with the all-new design of the CR10 Smart Pro. With its impressive 300 by 300 by 400 mm build volume, this printer offers ample space to bring your wildest creations to life. But it doesn't stop there. The CR10 Smart Pro is packed with exciting enhancements like an HD camera and LED light, providing real-time monitoring of your prints from anywhere. Performance is vital, and this printer delivers. Equipped with brass nozzles capable of handling temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius and all-metal dual-geared direct extruders, it ensures precise extrusion and impeccable printing accuracy. Say goodbye to clogs and embrace a broader range of materials, allowing you to experiment and push the boundaries of what's possible. User-friendly features make the CR10 Smart Pro accessible to professionals and beginners alike. Whether you prefer the convenience of CR Touch auto bed leveling or the hands-on experience of manual bed leveling, this printer caters to your needs. So if you like this 3D printer, then check out the link in the description box to purchase it right now. Number 2 is the official FLSUN V400 3D printer. In today's world of 3D printing, where innovation is at its peak, the FLSUN V400 3D printer stands tall as the number 2 contender for the title of the best 3D printer under $900. This extraordinary machine will revolutionize your printing experience and take it to new heights. The FLSUN V400 boasts an impressive printing size of 5300 mm x 410 mm, offering a vast canvas for your imagination. Its high-speed integrated dual-axis linear guide ensures unrivaled accuracy and stability, making each print a masterpiece. Not just limited to PLA, this printer supports a wide range of filaments thanks to its all-metal direct drive extruder and 300 degrees Celsius high-temp nozzle. Whether you're printing with flexible or complex consumables like PLA, TPU, ABS, or even exotic filaments like wood or nylon, the FLSUN V400 can easily handle it. So if you are interested in this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 3 is FLSHFORGE 3D printer. When finding the best 3D printer under $900, the FLASHFORGE 3D printer steals the spotlight. Prepare to be amazed as this printer combines affordability with outstanding features, bringing your wildest creations to life. Efficiency and precision are at the core of this machine's design. Say goodbye to tedious calibration thanks to its automatic bed leveling. Rapid nozzle replacement allows you to easily switch between hardened and high-speed nozzles, catering to all your printing needs. And with a lightning-fast printing capability of 300 mm per second, your projects will come to life in no time. Enhanced print quality is a top priority, and the FLASHFORGE 3D printer doesn't disappoint. Equipped with 3 extruder fans, it ensures optimal cooling and consistent temperature control, resulting in flawless prints. The flexible PEI platform makes print removal a breeze, providing impeccable finishes while minimizing the risk of damage. No more frustrations with failed prints. The FLSHFORGE 3D printer comes with upgraded filament detection and print resume capabilities. Don't worry about filament breaks or power outages. Resume printing where you left off, ensuring a seamless experience. So if you like this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 4 is FLSUN Z9 V5 Pro 3D Printer. The FLSUN Z9 V5 Pro 4 Malawian Kwacha's upgraded 3D printer is one of the most innovative and versatile 3D printers available in the market, and it comes at an incredible price under $900. Get ready to take your 3D printing experience to a new level with this exceptional machine. With its 4 extruder modules and 4-in-1-out hot end, the Z9 V5 Pro 4 Malawian Kwachas offers an array of printing possibilities. This printer lets your imagination run wild, from vibrant single-color prints to stunning double-color creations and even intricate 4-color masterpieces. Assembly has always been challenging thanks to the printer's modular design. In just a few simple steps, you'll have your printer up and running, ready to bring your ideas to life. Swapping wires in and out of the extruders is a breeze, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free printing experience. No more wasted time and effort due to power outages or filament breakage. The Z9 V5 Pro MK4's intelligent sensor ensures that printing resumes precisely where it left off, eliminating the frustration of starting over. You can focus on unleashing your creativity without any interruptions. If you are inquisitive about this 3D printer, check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 5 is Phrozen Sonic Mighty 8K 3D Printer. Introducing the ultimate game-changer in 3D printing, the Phrozen Sonic Mighty 8K LCD Resin 3D Printer, the best bang for your buck under $900. Get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey of creativity and innovation with this remarkable machine. With the Sonic Mighty 8K, you'll experience the power to bring your imagination to life in stunning 8K resolution. Its mind-blowing 28mm resolution ensures every intricate detail is captured with razor-sharp precision, guaranteeing crisp, clear prints and bursting with life. Say goodbye to limitations and hello to productivity. Equipped with a spacious 10-inch LCD screen and 23.5cm dual linear rails, this printer boosts your efficiency and unleashes your full potential. Its durable mono LCD is built to last, giving you extended printing sessions and ensuring your investment stands the test of time. Despite its mighty capabilities, the Sonic Mighty 8K maintains a compact footprint, effortlessly fitting into any printing space. Bid farewell to wobbling and frustrating layer lines thanks to its solid dual linear rails and thick T-plate. So if you are interested in this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. That's all from us in today's video. We hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer under $900. If you want to purchase any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box to get them right now. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more awesome upcoming videos linked to printers.